In this video, we are going to learn how to save our time by directly pasting the formulas and functions into our cells instead of doing that manually, so you can save your time. And we will also be watching that how we can auto adjust our rows and columns, and we will also see how we can make directly all the functions drop downs from where we can use all the predefined functions like average, sum, and all that stuff. So first, here I have some data set regarding some departments. So here what I want the multiplication of quantity and unit price, and I want all these totals directly into the other sections as well by directly pasting. So how we can do this, we will see here. First, I need to apply a formula here that equals this value and multiply this value. Okay, so this is my total here, and if I drag it down, so I want the same thing in my other sections as well. So for this, here is a shortcut trick that you can do. Control G. If you press Control G, you will see this pop up, then go to special and just click formulas. Okay, so this will directly be selecting your formulas, and it will allow you to paste your formulas directly for the other calculations as well. So you need to hit OK, and now if you see, I will directly paste it. It will reflect my these values instead of these values. If you see, there we have 29,997, and here we have 26,232. So in the same way, if I paste them here, it will give me same values as here we have. Okay, so in the same way you can do this thing. Okay, right this way. And one other thing that you can do here is, if I delete one thing, one value from here, and you select the data and again go for the Control G and go to the special, and you will see blank. If you don't want the blank cells and you want to modify this particular cell, then you need to select the blanks from here and hit OK. It will select that particular cell. So if I will be having the same error in my other sections as well, so I will be doing the same thing by selecting all the data set and then just right click on this, and from this pane you need to delete this. It will ask you for the entire row and all that stuff. You need to go for the entire row. Okay, so this will give you the clean data. Okay, so this will remove that particular line. So because for now we have the multiple sections of the data set, that's why it's deleting whole a line, and it affected my other section as well. Anyways, you can do this thing by removing the null values from your data set. So now here I have some data where we can make auto adjustment for the totals. Like I want the total for the unit price and the quantity. I want some average formulas and all that stuff, whichever you want. So you need to select all data first, and then first click anywhere inside that particular selection, and then Control A for selecting all the data set. Then you need to convert it to table. Control T. It will ask you either this is your correct reference for the table or not. So you need to hit OK, and it will convert it to table. So now we have this data set into a table, and now we need to press Control Shift and then T again. So here you can see it will give you a drop down where you can select any of the function that is a predefined. You can use this like minimum. It will give me the minimum value. If I want the count numbers, how much numbers I have, it will give me simple counter. And if I want the maximum, there is 3, and average, it's giving me to 1 2. Okay, so whichever the function you are looking for, you can use from this drop down directly. Instead of doing that by manually, you can save your time. And if I click here, if you see, this is the same drop down that we can use. Okay, so I want the sum here, and I want sum here as well. So yes, so that's how you can do these things by simply pressing these keys.